So guys, in my previous video, I promised you that my next video is going to be a comparison between the itel S18 and S18 Pro. But after that video, I fell in love with this Tecno Spark 9 Pro Sports Edition and I could not resist the temptation to talk about it. So guys, if you're already expecting a comparison video, 1,000 apologies. Tecno keeps surprising its users with lots of pretty devices. Recently, they came up with the color-changing back design of the Camo 19 Pro Modern Edition. That phone looks pretty cool. And now, the Spark 9 Pro Sports Edition. It must have been hard work for Tecno to design this device. But apart from the design, the Sports Edition does not offer anything new. So here is all I know about the Tecno Spark 9 Pro Sports Edition. Tecno has always wanted to take the lead in mobile phone design. They understand that the majority of their users are young people that put style and fashion ahead of quality. To further prove this point, this is the Tecno Spark 9 Pro Regular Edition and this is the Sports Edition. Which of these devices would you buy? Even if the Sports Edition is 10k more expensive, a lot of people will still go for it. So to get all the attention, Tecno had to partner with Designworks to offer a BMW-themed colorway design for the Sports Edition. Designworks is a global creative consultancy company owned by BMW, that BMW company that produces cars. And in designing the device, blue and white color, which is the team color for BMW, were made to run through the back. Also, the two camera section at the back has a pattern that is meant to resemble the BMW logo. The design of the Sports Edition boosts the company's sales of the Spark 9 series. And think about it, every company is looking for extra sales, just as I'm looking for extra subscribers. And seriously guys, I'm looking for more subscribers. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, it won't cost you a thing to hit that subscribe button. So please, hit that subscribe button. The price of the device is $117,000, which is a little lesser than $200. With this, you get a skillfully designed Android 12 device with a storage capacity of 4GB RAM that can be extended by 3GB more through virtual memory. The ROM space is 128GB. You also get a 5000 mAh battery, a 50 megapixel rear camera, a 32 megapixel front camera, and a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus dot notch screen. Comparing the specifications of this Sports Edition with the regular Spark 9 Pro, there seems to be almost no difference. Both phones come with the same processor, MediaTek Helio G85. They have the same body dimension, are built on the same Android version, and with the same camera. The only difference you will find, which is almost too insignificant to notice, is that the Sports Edition comes with a display resolution of 1080 by 2406 pixels, while the regular Spark 9 Pro features a display resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The regular edition has a slightly better display. Unlike the packaging of the Camo 19 Pro Modern Edition, the packaging of the Sports Edition does not come in style, but the packaging box does look pretty though. You get to see the phone first, and frankly, it's a charmer. Next, you will find the bumper case that fits nicely on the device. It also comes with an 80-watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, an earpiece, and a SIM remover tool. Tecno focused more on the back of the device. The design follows the same pattern as the other phones in the series. The camera section design is the same for all the devices in the Spark 9, but the design pattern in this section is unique. The reflective crystal pattern at the edges is also exceptional. Honestly, I like this device, not because of its specifications, but particularly because of its design. The display is very decent. As I mentioned, it has a resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. It does offer rich graphics even though it comes with just a 60Hz refresh rate. The little downside here is that there is a bit of delay in screen transition. Watching movies on this display is satisfying, and browsing the internet with its 4G network feels just like every other 4G device. On the side of its performance, it does handle multitasking well without lagging. It also handles high-end games nicely without having any trouble. Talk of the camera, it has a 50 megapixel sensor at the back and a 32 megapixel sensor at the front. It supports a handful of camera modes, which include short video, night mode, and slow motion. The front camera does not support slow motion, only the back camera. With this mode, you can make your footage 4 times slower at 120 frames per second or 8 times slower at 240 frames per second. Portrait mode versus main photo mode, you get photos like this. The video mode gives reasonably good output as the images are clear and natural. The front camera offers quality photos and videos as well. Portrait mode versus photo mode, and here is the result. And finally, the video mode. Hello guys, this is the Tecno Spark 9 Pro Sport Edition front camera, and as you can see, the front camera makes a whole lot of sense. Images are sharp, it is bright enough, it feels so natural, and even my background, as you can see, it's so clear, you can see everything so vibrantly. And to be frank, this is a very good camera. It's a 32 megapixel front camera, selfie camera. It is something you can definitely rely on for video chat or for online meeting conferences. You can actually use something like this for it and you will have a very good result. Not that it is the best you can actually have, but at least something that is good enough. So here's my take. It's not a bad idea that Tecno designed the Sports Edition as special. Imagine how it would have been if it was designed to support 5G. The device is surely worth the price, and at the same time, I cannot say that Tecno over-delivered here. Tecno Spark 9 Pro Sports Edition is nothing more than an average Android device with a super cool design. But what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment below. This is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro Modern Edition unboxing and review video, and this is the Tecno Spark 90 unboxing and review video. Please check them out. The link is also in the description. See you in my next video.